Alpine has revealed the A110 R Ultime, its latest ultra-sporty limited edition, at the Paris Motor Show, the largest automotive event in France. With just 110 units to be produced, this exclusive model represents the pinnacle of road-legal performance from Alpine, boasting an impressive 340 horsepower and 420 Nm of torque. The A110 R Ultime accelerates from 0 to 62 miles an hour in just 3.8 seconds, promising an exhilarating driving experience complemented by a bespoke customization program in collaboration with Poltrona Frau, which is an Italian furniture and design company known for its high-quality craftsmanship and luxurious materials. The A110 R Ultime is a direct evolution of its predecessor, the A110 R. It features a precision-tuned chassis and an enhanced engine that achieves its maximum power at 6,000 RPM. This limited edition sports car offers thrilling acceleration and responsiveness. The addition of launch control enables seamless starts, while a modified turbo, new DW6 gearbox and an Akrapovic titanium exhaust system elevate its performance further. The car is equipped with 4 Ohlins adjustable dampers, a specialised braking system featuring 330mm AP racing discs and new cooling ducts. Alpine's aerodynamic improvements also increase downforce by 160 kg at top speed compared to the A110 R Turini. This improves track handling, corner agility and acceleration. With 18-inch forged wheels at the front and 19-inch at the rear that are fitted with Michelin PS2 Cup tyres. The A110 R Ultime delivers exceptional grip and road holding capabilities, solidifying its status as a true circuit-ready vehicle. The exclusivity of the A110 R Ultime extends to its design, featuring a 2-tier personalisation catalogue. Collaborating with Saarbrück and Poltrona Frau, Alpine offers an unprecedented range of customisation options. The Atelier package includes 27 exterior colours and 4 Alcantara upholstery choices: grey, red, blue and orange, allowing customers to create a personalised cabin atmosphere with tailored details in the steering wheel, dashboard, door trims, centre console and floor mats. For those seeking a more refined experience, the Atelier Sur Mesure program provides advanced customization options, including 9 additional Alcantara colours and leather in 10 hues. There's also other bespoke options like embroidery, embossing and leather braiding, transforming every surface from the ceiling to the centre console into a canvas of luxury. Externally, buyers can personalise various carbon fibre components, including the bonnet, air intakes, rear window and aerodynamic features, ensuring their A110 R Ultime is as unique as it is sporty. The car's pricing starts at €265,000, and at the Paris Motor Show, Alpine showcases a special version of the A110 R Ultime in an exclusive La Bleu configuration limited to just 15 units. This stunning colour scheme merges 2 signature Alpine blues, Alpine Vision Blue and Abyss Blue, creating a handcrafted gradient that envelopes the car like a work of art.